So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++ 2015. And now once you run this, you want to scroll down, choose your language, and then click on download. You want to get both x64 and x86. Tick both of them, and then click on download. If you get this, click on allow to download multiple files, which should now download both of them. Once they've both been downloaded, you want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. We're going to install both of them one by one. I'm going to start with x86, double click on it. Once this comes up, you want to tick the box I agree and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. Just wait for this. Once that's been done, you can now resolve this. And now you want to install the other one. For me, it's going to be x64. I'm going to double click on it. Once this comes up, I'm going to tick the box I agree and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. Just wait for this. Once that's been done, we can now resolve this. For the last step, just restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.